the day of Jacob's travel to the US, I was supposed to go with him. But in a way or the other, I didn't come. Someone told me when we were in a meeting that blood is thicker than that was the mouth. Blood is thicker than water. We were in a meeting with the chief justice, and someone came and said, you cannot do anything in this house without my consent. Mao told that person, blood is thicker than water. Now when they took our blood, they found that I was the closest person to Jacob in the blood. So I was supposed to go for blood or marrow transfusion. That's why I went to the US. But it was too late. These people stopped me from going. Maybe I would have helped my brother when I was there, because I told him any organ of mine I am ready to donate. But they stopped me. This is the pain I have. That person who stopped me, you have seen what has happened here. Jacob is alive. You just witness it now, right here. I'm so grateful Jacob left us with his children here. They have talked about it, and we'll talk about it at another forum. Jacob has his first son, Ojok Andrew. Ojok is a very educated person that we would want the government and the people of tomorrow who believe in NRM and otherwise, that we are fronting Ojok to take the legacy of his father. We want Ojok to stand, come by election for tomorrow. We want your full support. Please stand with the family and we take this man through. This is my special request for the people of tomorrow especially. I know there are people who want to come in, but let's consider the family and the whole Jacob has done, has left us with now. This thing which happened here had a very big meaning, and let's not take it for granted. I am very, very grateful. Jacob died, he left us with the children. Jacob married Dorothy Langwale. That was his first wife that we saw all when they were down there putting the ring. Dorothy Paxton, our body is here, and that is where we are going to lay the husband next to my brother. After a while, Jacob, of course, has met other ladies. But there came Lady Winnie. More that we all witnessed Jacob wedding Lady Winnie. For a reason, actually Lady Winnie called me yesterday and said everything she could say as a person. And said she is not going to be able to come. Neither are the children going to be able to come. And nobody should masquerade that is going to take care of the children of Oulanya. She is here. She will come. She has a little. She will come at an appropriate time when the baby is a little grown and bring the children of Oulanya to lay flower on their father. Great. This is from Winnie. So take it from me, I heard from Lady Winnie. They actually spoke a few weeks before Jacob's death. Jacob left no woman on earth. This you must know. There is no woman that Jacob came and introduced to our family. So Jacob went and left us with the children only. And that is the task we have. And we are going to carry on. I thank you very much. May the Lord take care of you on your journey back home. I know you have come from all parts of the world, parts of Uganda. We can identify and say all this. During his time when he was campaigning for the Northern Chair, I think God told Jacob that I am going to give you everything, but you will not enjoy anything. Because he wanted to be the member of parliament. They gave him. He wanted to be the vice North Uganda. They gave him. He wanted to be the speaker of parliament. They gave him. All whatever Jacob wanted was given, but Jacob did not enjoy it. I think it's for a reason. I thank you very much.